Kasang National People Party menta kasengi ke santarik unai wing kalapun ko buram ye ki arngut ki MLA bathmai jong ka party ki bajab na ki artli ki constituency ha ka jingya khun ha ka election shitang samoy kabarang sudap hakini ki khendiat sengi Kitai ki arngut ki MLA ki bala syapun ko buram ki kenthop yu ba penyait sings im ubala job na kamaurang kenang constituency baru Abdus Saleh ubala job na Raja Bala constituency lapun ko buram mi kitai ki arngut ki MLA do national president ka NPP baru badairu menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad konggal sangma baru sembut menteri rangba ka jela u ba Preston Tensong bar ha ka jingya don lang ki nongkit kam ka sang NPP.
That's why we are here today. That's why we won 2 out of 3. So what I'm just telling all of you, reminding all of you is, we will keep it up. And whatever promises we made, we will try our best to accomplish it before 2023. So I request all of you, get maximum inspiration. Be ready. Let us go to the people and we'll prove that we are here to serve the people of this.
God has blessed us with 2 more MLAs to strengthen our party and to take the work that we have started forward. Friends, I don't have much to say. We have been speaking a lot during the election also, and even after the election we had a press conference. But I would only like to say that what our Honorable Deputy CM had mentioned in his speech, that this is again a mandate for the government. Clearly, the people of this state, in spite of all the negativity that the opposition has tried to bring in, people have seen through it. People have realized that these are all fake and false information, and people have voted in favor of the government, clearly reflecting that people are happy with the work that is going on. But obviously it means much more has to be done.
We are here standing in front of you as a MLA. NPP 2 MLA, another MLA is from the government only. So while campaigning throughout my constituency Rajabala, I have seen huge support for NPP. That was the constituency never NPP has got. But this time, people has seen the development of Conrad Shangma's government's development has seen. They have seen the differences. What 3 years before the Congress-led government has done, and what after 3 years what Conrad Shangma-led government has done. Therefore, as a result, the effect has been seen. As a result, we are 2 MLAs in front of you. Thank you very much. Long live NPP. NPP will win 2023. Thank you very much.
And I request the assistant from the state government, especially to visit again to our constituency and see that we could fulfill our aims and objectives that we already told the people of our constituency. We'll try our level best from our side again to gather and again to convene meetings with all the party members and all our supporters, so that in the coming general election 2023 we could retain the seat from the same party. And we are committed to work hard for the interests of the constituency and also the interests of the state. And once again, I would like to say thank you to all of you.
Kinong yalam